Hey everybody, Donn Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just a super nice 2008 Corvette C6 Convertible with a 6-speed manual. Big difference. In this video, I'm going to take you around this car. I'm going to take you underneath the car, but first buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. I love this car with the 6-speed. It's just a game changer. We shot up to 70 miles an hour in like no time at all. Now, whether I can even get this car out of 5th gear around here, probably not. This car is so nice to drive. It's so smooth. The braking, the suspension, the steering, everything just feels dead on in the car. It feels great. Wow! I love driving this car. You know, it's just so smooth, it's so comfortable. Corvette really just made, the seats are comfortable, the ergonomics are great in these cars. You could drive this car all day long and not feel tired at all. And just, I love the color, the black with the blue. It's just such a nice color combo. And the shifting is great in this car. Feels so good. All right, so there we go. If you have any questions, you can give me a call or text me directly. I'm super easy to get a hold of. My number should be down there somewhere. If you're seeing the car on a third-party site, you should definitely head over to my website right here, Left Coast Classics, because there's always like a secondary set of photos. So there's a lot more photos on my site, more than I can put on these third-party sites. And then, you know, if you want to get, I save all the photos that I've got in high resolution in Dropbox. So if you want to zoom in on a speck of dust, I can send you links to those. If you send me a text, I'll send those back to you, or an email. And anyway, check all that out. You can always get in touch with me. Check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. We did an old episode years ago in the Ed China days, this 57 Ford Thunderbird right here. And then I think 2018 was this one, the Lancia Fulvia. And then our most recent episode aired December of 2020, and that was just a really cool one-owner Triumph TR4 that I got from its first owner out of San Francisco, and sold that car to Mike. That was a really unusual episode. We did something a little different on that one, so be sure to check those out on Motor Trend. Check me out on all the social media sites for Left Coast Classics, And oh, if you could like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, that'll really help in the algorithms. And while I'm not always driving around in a car you might want to buy, it's kind of fun because we just go for drives in different cars all the time, and that's kind of fun. You can have that experience from afar. All right, thanks for checking out this C6. All right, just gonna head underneath the C6. It's just super clean under here. This has clearly been an indoor car, and it's just very nice and tidy under here. Everything's in just really nice shape. And by the way, it's just dropping water from the evaporator because I just ran the air conditioning. It's just really tidy and clean under here, and it doesn't look leaky. Everything looks like it's just nice and in order. So there you go. Quintessential California C6.